Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day today? Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna be showing you my grandpapa remedy. Like, this is superb. This is going to give you, you know, you are gonna be this is actually very effective. I am very excited showing you this, and just do it the way I'm gonna be directing you in the video. Do not skip, do just listen and you are going to get it correctly. And this is way natural. I try to find the ingredients that you are going to find easily. Yeah, okay. So let me take you right into this video so that you can know this and be happy at the end of the day. Okay, let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so our first ingredient is going to be onion. Yeah, I wanted to say onion. Okay, so we're gonna be preparing this onion this way. Now I'm going to be showing you two ways in which you can actually prepare this onion. Two ways in which you're going to be preparing this remedy. So you just watch to the end so you could see all of the ways in which you're going to be, preparing this, and this is going to be superb. Okay, so you need red onion. Basically you need red onion. Okay, so this is how you're gonna be doing it. You're gonna be, the first step is what I'm going to be showing you. Okay, there are 3 steps in which you're going to be doing this. Okay, so watch till the end. The first step is this. The first step is you blend it. You put just a little bit of water so that it can enable the blending process. Okay, so after you blend it, then you are going to be sieving the chaff out. Okay, so after you have squeezed this, turn it into a cup, and here you go. Okay, so the next one you're going to do is that you're going to be putting in a little honey. Okay, so you're going to be putting in about 1 tablespoon of honey. And then you mix it very well. After which you've mixed this is how the color is going to be like. Okay, so this is the first option. Let me keep this aside and then I'll show you the second option. Second option is that you're going to be taking your onion and then you cut the onion in very tiny pieces. make sure it's actually very, very tiny. You can actually ask someone to help you do this, so that for this you don't need too much. So the next thing you do, you grab your honey again. You put at least 1 tablespoon of honey, and then you would stir it all up together. And this is it, yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is the option, yeah. It is either you make it in this liquid form, which to me I prefer this, because I know most of you guys are going to prefer this particular one, because the taste is of course not going to be the same to this. Yeah, this particular one is gonna be, you know, having that onion smell in your mouth, but of course onion does not smell in the mouth for too long. Okay, at least some hours the smell is gonna go down, but for this particular one there is no smell that is going to be left in your mouth. So it's either you do it like this or you do it like this, and then you eat it. Okay, or you do it like this. Okay, let me show you the third one, which is actually very simple. Now this particular one is something you would take in the morning. Let me show you something that you will take later on in the evening. So you're gonna be needing watermelon, and here I have my watermelon, okay, already diced out. And I'm gonna be taking a little cut of the watermelon. And then I'm going to cut the watermelon, both the red part and the white part, yeah. And then you're going to be cutting plus the seed of this melon. Okay, so after that, then we'll have to go blend this. This is gonna be pretty easy. Okay, so after blending, would have to be sieving the watermelon out. Okay, so now we turn it in. And then we'll need some activation, so we're actually going to be needing some lemon. Okay, so lemon is, this is actually our local lemon, and because I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, it's lime. No, it is not lime, it is lemon. Okay, now lemon is citric in nature, so it's going to help to activate you, and as well as you put it inside this drink, it's going to help so much to make this drink work effectively. So I just cut the lemon, and now I'll be squeezing in the juice. And then here we go. Okay, so this is it. Okay, all right, so for this particular one, you drink it in the evening. This one and this one, you take it in the morning. Yeah, this one is going to help you so much in the morning, and this is going to help to activate you when you want to. Okay, so when you want to, you actually take this, you know, it's going to be really effective. So this is watermelon and lemon, this is onion and honey, this is still onion and honey. So any of this you can actually make and take, it's perfect. But for this particular one, this is actually the only way I can show you right now to make. Yeah, so those are it. Choose the one you want to do, and you know, go for it. This is very natural, and it is very effective. Yeah, because I know some of you guys do not actually take these things that much, so that's why it is actually very important you know about it and take it. Okay, so that's it. You know, you take the, however you want to take it. It's either you take it as juice, or you take it like the other one, and then you take the other one that will help you to, you know, activate you. And this is actually very good. Yeah, it's actually natural. Like, trust me, this is very effective, and this is really healthy. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. And bye guys, bye